Actemium EV is a rapidly growing company which specialises in the deployment of electric vehicle infrastructure. We provide full project responsibility, including civils, installation, service and maintenance. Oxygen House are fantastic to work with. They're so progressive and forward-thinking that they already got and understood electric vehicles. So the key part of the project for me was to get them the right technical solution to deliver everything that they needed.
We first started thinking about charge points 7 or 8 years ago and installed 8 of them, but then we had a plan to encourage a large take-up of electric vehicles, and we extended our provision of charging points to 17. The businesses under the Oxygen House umbrella all have sustainability as a core part of what they do. Electric vehicles are part of that portfolio of policies and efforts that we take to try and influence our employees and customers and suppliers.
We have 22 employees that all have electric vehicles, which is absolutely brilliant. We've also got 12 employees that are on the lease scheme that we offer here at Oxygen House. And we've got 1 electric pool car and 1 hybrid pool car. So yeah, we're really expanding really rapidly with all of our electric vehicles.
This type of project is unique. We have a combination of different charging types, which was really important to get right, to make sure that they had the right setup to facilitate their fleet. But what was really exciting about working for this company is that they were so innovative and so ahead of the curve. If you just look at the sheer number of electric vehicles that they've already deployed, the salary sacrifice scheme that they implemented long before anyone was really looking at this.
I think the direction of travel is only in one direction, and government policy and incentives are now starting to reflect that.
From the government, the Office of Low Emissions Vehicles, there are several incentives for electric vehicle charging points for workplace charging. There's also 100% write-down allowance in the first year against tax. We also have a plug-in car grant, and we also have home charging grants. So there's a whole raft of grant funding for the uptake of electric vehicles. It's pure economics. The electric vehicles are significantly less expensive to run and maintain, and they can make a serious impact in the cost of running a fleet.
Government will only move towards further incentives to encourage the rollout of electric vehicles. Any forward-looking business should be looking to convert to an electric vehicle only car scheme.
Actemium's been absolutely great. They've been here every single stage of the project, and even afterwards they've always been here to help us if there's any problems, any issues. They resolve them really, really quickly, and they're just really understanding for everything that we need as a company. Obviously, our main focus is sustainability and how we can help our employees, and they just really, really understood that for us, and it was great.
Our business would like to be at the forefront of that change from fossil fuel driven cars to electric cars. People are starting to get familiar with seeing electric vehicles around. Trying to lead that encourages change.
I find working in the EV industry really exciting. It's always changing, there's always new opportunities, and if there's a better way, we should embrace that. As you can see behind us, we're generating electricity and we're putting it into our cars and we're driving with 0 emissions. It's got to be the best solution.